Once upon a time, there were two families. One was named Thomas and one was named Panky. The two of them married and had 6 children. This is the story of the 6 generations. Sharita, my granddaughter, has a grandson named Rylan. It was his 4th birthday. There he is, going off to school, just like nothing happened. Sharita took out the family blender, an old KitchenAid, and she made an Oreo cake from scratch. Oh, what a big, pretty 4-layer cake with graphics. It flashed green, it flashed blue. Rylan was so happy. There were Oreos inside the cake and outside the cake. Just gorgeous. The family got together in the evening.
Is it yummy?
And
Is your birthday
the
cake yummy?
6th generation back, which is my mom, had the first slice with Rylan, who is the 1st generation, counting from the youngest on out. Oh, what a good time they had. He loves going in Grandma's room and just hanging out. The rest of the family was on FaceTime. We got together. Then Rylan went outside to jump on his new trampoline that Papa put together. And oh, what a good time he had. There he is with his daddy, who is Simone's other half. She's the 2nd generation. There's my beautiful great-granddaughter. And we all live happily ever after. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share our family story. Thank you.